You see, they are breaking down. They don't even open. They are breaking down everything. They don't open properly. They're just breaking down and then they go in. And the police are standing ready with the guns to shoot the people. What must we do? What must we do? This is unacceptable. This is what our ANC government is allowing our people to do. Look how they're breaking the people's belongings.